Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and access. Park level, set parking brake and chock wheels so nothing moves, then remove the wheel to expose the caliper. Once the caliper bolts are out, hang the caliper on the suspension with wire. Do not let the brake hose bear weight, because a damaged hose leaks. Now open the brake fluid reservoir and wipe the cap area clean. This prevents dirt from contaminating the system when you compress the piston. You must compress the piston steadily and evenly. Insert an old pad or a piece of wood between tool and piston to spread force and protect the seal. Once the tool is seated, turn slowly or tighten the C-clamp, watching the brake fluid reservoir. If fluid rises close to the brim, remove some with a syringe to avoid overflow. Make sure the piston goes back flush with the caliper housing. Sudden force can damage the seal or distort the piston. You finish by fitting the new or existing pads and sliding the caliper back over them, then torque the caliper bolts to spec and reinstall the wheel. Once lowered, top off the brake fluid to the recommended level and pump the pedal until it firms. If it remains soft, bleed the brakes to remove air. For a troubleshooting tip, if the caliper binds or the wheel drags during test drive, stop and inspect piston alignment and clean or lubricate the slide pins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.